Hello and welcome to Stamping with Ian. A little order came, some new stuff for my crafting hoard. Right, first things first, new bone folder. I managed to break the other one, not quite sure how, but so yeah, lovely, goes in the bin. I got a bundle, the Above the Clouds bundle. Bring it up for you. It's our photopolymer, lovely, and comes with a matching punch. Get rid of that. With the up there. Some people have been making blossoms with these, so I shall give that a try, I think. But, we've got a bit of cardstock. A bit of a test. There we go. So this is thick whisper white, and look at that, straight through. Lovely. So we have a balloon, we have a basket, and we have a pennant? I don't know. Right, coming in January is our annual celebration event, and if you join Stampin' Up, you get to choose £130 worth of product for £99. But that's not all. You're going to get some freebies as well, and one of them is this mini paper cutter. Look at that, how cute is that? It's it can do 4 1/4 inches that way, and what's this, 1 2 3 4 4.5, say, that way. It's a guillotine type affair. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, it's lovely. Love that. So stinking cute. You also get a sample pack of designer series paper in a 6x6 size. And I'll just go through that like this. 20 lessons is there. Beautiful. And with this order, what happened was I took advantage of a free shipping offer from Stampin' Up, you know, so you've got to, haven't you, really? As I spent over £45, I got to choose a celebration freebie, which demonstrators can do in this pre-order period. So that's another reason, if you want to join me, you could join me in December, and you get early access to the spring 2020 catalogue. So beautiful cake there you can colour in, happy birthday, sprinkles to you, and celebrate. And that's one of our red rubber sets, top quality red rubber that. So there we go. So that's all I got this time. Hope you've enjoyed this little video. If you have, give me a thumbs up, share please, subscribe if you don't already, ring the notification bell, ding 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 ding, and you'll always know when there's a new project for you to watch, or a new mail video for you to watch, that is. Okay, whatever you're doing today, have a lovely day, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye now.